Welcome to Pata Janta, where we aggregate and break down the latest remote and local jobs for Kenyans so you don't have to spend hours searching. And today we're going to talk about how to get a remote job from anywhere in the world. If you've been searching for remote jobs and keep hitting walls, companies that say remote but only hire in certain countries, then TrulyRemote is going to change the game for you. This platform is built specifically for truly location-independent jobs. No borders, no restrictions. Just real opportunities, updated every single day. So, what exactly is TrulyRemote? It's a job board at TrulyRemote, CO that curates and pre-screens remote job listings from companies that genuinely hire worldwide. That means every job you see there has already been vetted for quality, no scams, no fake listings. And unlike general job sites like LinkedIn or Indeed, every single role here is fully remote and open to international applicants. Here's how to use it. Head over to TrulyRemote, CO. Right on the homepage, you'll see a search bar and category filters. You can browse jobs by role, whether you're in development, design, marketing, finance, sales, customer service, and more. Now here's the key feature, the location filter. You can filter jobs by region, Africa, Asia, Europe, Latin America, the Middle East, or select anywhere in the world to see roles with zero geographic restrictions. That last filter? That's your best friend. Once you find a job you like, click on it, read the full description, and apply directly through the company's website. Simple, fast, and straightforward. Now, here's a pro tip that most people skip. Set up job alerts. On TrulyRemote, you can subscribe to weekly email alerts based on your category. So, instead of checking the site every day, the best jobs come straight to your inbox. Just pick your role, drop in your email, and you're done. This alone can give you a serious edge over other applicants because you'll be among the first to apply when new roles go live. TrulyRemote also has a tools section with AI-powered resources, including something called Job Copilot, which helps you get more interviews by optimizing how you apply. If you're serious about landing a remote job, it's worth checking out. They also have a blog full of tips on remote work, how to stand out as an international applicant, and how to negotiate salaries across borders. So if you're ready to stop limiting yourself to local job markets and start working for the world, go to TrulyRemote, CO, set your filters, subscribe to alerts, and start applying. The remote job you've been looking for is out there. You just have to go get it. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more remote work tips, and I'll see you in the next one.